Hello and welcome back. We now discuss one more example from differentiation. The question is differentiate a raised to x plus x raised to a plus a raised to a with respect to x. So first of all we name this function as y. So we say let y be equal to a raised to x plus x raised to a plus a raised to a. And now we differentiate with respect to x. So we obtain dy by dx is equal to, the first would be derivative of a raised to x plus derivative of x raised to a plus derivative of a raised to a. Now we know that derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x times log a. So the answer for this would be a raised to x into log a plus, now derivative of x raised to a. Now here we apply the formula derivative of x raised to n is n times x raised to n minus 1. So instead of n we have a over here. So it would be a times x raised to a minus 1 plus, now a raised to a is a constant, so derivative of constant function is 0. So therefore we obtain dy by dx as a raised to x into log a plus a times x raised to a minus 1. And if you look at the options, the answer to this question is option A.
Like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.